Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Toyota Highlander Limited PLT. This one's black. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6. This one comes with 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Inside here we've got a black leather interior, panorama sunroof, captain's chair for the rear. Coming around back here we've got our Highlander Limited all-wheel drive badging, a power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, a fold-down third-row seating, in the back here we've got rear seat entertainment, heated rear seats, rear climate controls. Up front here we've got a nice wood trim, memory seats. This one comes with lane assist, heated steering wheel, JBL sound system, power seats. Hopping in here we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, touchscreen display here. You've got our dual climate controls, navigation, traction control, automatic transmission, heated and cooled seats. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota, check out feldmanimports.com.